Today we are going to learn the next 4 letters in Arabic. The letters are from right to left. Ta, ta, za, za, ain, ain, ghin, ghin, ta, za, ain, ghin. Let's start. Ta, ta, ta. Ta pronounced as thick T, so it's different than T. You remember T? We said it pronounced as T. Ta pronounced as ta, ta, ta. And you will know the difference in the words. First one is tomatum. Tomatum, it's very close to English, tomato. Tomatum. Ta, mim, alif, ta, mim. Did you notice I didn't say tomatum? I said ta, ta, tomatum. The second word is طفل. طفل means kid or a child. طفل, طفل. ta, fe, لام. ta, fe, لام. How we write ta? You make a circle and a little tail or dash. Then you make a big line here. This is how you write ta. Again. Big line. One more time. So this is ta. This is ta. This is te. Te pronounced as regular T. Ta pronounced as thick T, as ta, ta, ta. Za. Za. Za is the twins of ta, but with the difference is just one dot on the top with how it looks. But it pronounced different than ta. Ta pronounced as a thick T, remember? But za pronounced as thick Z. Z, z, z. Thick Z. Z. Za is different than zain or zal. Zain or zal pronounced as just a regular Z, but za pronounced as thick Z. Z, I mean, like z, z. And you will know the difference in the words. The first word is zarf. Zarf. Zarf means envelope. Za, za, re, fe. Za, re, fe. And zil. Zil means shadow. Za, lam. Za, lam. How you write za? It's the same as we wrote ta, but the difference will be just adding one dot here. Okay, again, the circle we made before in ta and the tail, then we make a big line and then we put only one dot on the top when we mean to write za. One more time. Za. Za pronounced as thick Z, z, z. Zain or zal pronounced just as a regular Z. Ain. The name of this letter is Ain. Some people says Ain pronounced as A, but honestly, if you try to pronounce Ain in any Arabic word as A, you technically have an accent. So I want you to know ayn pronounced as not ah. And try to remember a couple words to remind yourself with the pronunciation of ayn. Ayn as in ayn. Ayn in Arabic means eye. So it's funny, you can say ayn as a word, start with ayn as a letter. Ayn, ye, noon is ayn. Ayn, ye, noon is ayn, eye. Or aynab. Ayn, noon, bih, grape. Ayn, noon, bih, grape. Aynab is grape. How you write ayn? Small half circle and a big half circle underneath it. Again, it's two half circles. One is small and the bottom one is big. One more time. It's easy to write ayn. Ayn pronounced as as in ayn or aynab. Ghain. Ghain is the twins of ayn. You see, it looks like ayn, but has only one dot on the top. But it pronounced different than ayn. Remember, ayn pronounced as Ghain pronounced as gh. Some people, when they say pronounce like GH, they are trying to get as close as it can be to English, but there is nothing in English pronounced like ghain. Again, this is one of the letters that I want you to memorize couple words to remind yourself with how you pronounce ghain as ghaba. Ghaba, forest. Ghaba start with ghain. Ghain, alif, b, he. Ghaba. Or ghazal, deer. Ghazal in Arabic means deer. غين زين ألف لام غزال غين زين ألف لام غزال means deer. How you write غين? It's the same like ayn. You remember two half circles? One small and one big. But the only different than ayn is a little dot on the top. Two half circles. The top one is small, the bottom one is big, with a little dot on the top to make ghain. One more time. But this is with no dots is ayn. Remember, as in ayn, I, the word I, ayn, start with ayn. So ayn pronounced as ghain pronounced as gh, غابة غزال